Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your blood oxygen on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Find and tap on blood oxygen. Tap the tick to start recording. You will then see your blood oxygen levels on the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.